Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Super speciality block of KS Hegde Hospital at Derlikate inaugurated. District Administration observes World Health Day at Wenlock Hospital. And in our entertainment section, we have inmates of St. Aloysius College Girls Hostel singing during Konkani Nirantari.
Apurva for Aptland.
The news in detail. A super speciality block of KS Hegde Hospital was inaugurated on Tuesday, April 29th evening at KS Hegde Auditorium at the Medical College campus. The super speciality department consists of the most advanced cardiology department, which is headed by Dr. Subramaniam, a well-known cardiologist, and Dr. Gopalakrishnan Nambiar, a well-known cardiac surgeon. 5 decades ago, doctors were looked upon like gods. Now they are treated as service providers. This is only because they are controlled by non-medical professionals and doctors have not taken leadership in society today. The day has come for all the doctors to be introspective, said N. Vinaya Hegde, chairman of the Nitte Education Trust. Speaking at the inaugural function of the super speciality block at KS Hegde Hospital at Derlikate on Tuesday, April 29th, he said that if Justice KS Hegde had not come to Nitte in the year 1979, nothing would have changed. What he had dreamed of has bloomed into a large complex today. He said that Justice Hegde was a father figure to him.
Dr. Nashiti, myself, and large number of our other friends, we decided, possibly because of the request of my mother and father, that we should start a school. It was a very difficult exercise for the simple reason the entire money was borne by the family members. And he also asked us to start a school, to start a primary health center. Both of these things which Justice Hegde dreamt way back in 1979, today has bloomed into a large complex. The school has bloomed into 25 institutions.
Justice KS Hegde started a school in Nitte and a primary health center for the villagers who were deprived of basic medical facilities. Now Nitte institution has grown into a mammoth institute giving education to over 10,000 students in 3 campuses, he said. The newly inaugurated super speciality block is largely meant for the middle class people. But sometimes the medical cost would be much beyond the reach of the commoner. Therefore, a corpus fund will be created for this purpose, he added. Dr. K.R. Shetty, cardiovascular surgeon of Kumbala Hills Hospital of Mumbai, Dr. Ajit Hegde of Methodist Hospital of Houston, Texas, Dr. Mahesh Ramchandani of Methodist Hospital of Houston, Texas, Dr. Satish Bhandari, Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty, Dr. N.V. Adiyanthaya, Dr. N.R. Shetty and Dr. Arunachalam Kumar were present on the dais. Dr. Shantaram Shetty welcomed the gathering. The super speciality department consists of the most advanced cardiology department, which is headed by Dr. Subramaniam, a well-known cardiologist, and Dr. Gopalakrishnan Nambiar, a well-known cardiac surgeon. The department has a state-of-the-art flat panel cath lab and advanced operation theatre with facilities for angiogram, angioplasty and valvuloplasty. The department has also a 6-bedded coronary intensive care unit with all modern equipments including intra-aortic balloon pump, external cardiac pacemaker, monitors with defibrillator. It is supported by well-trained paramedical and technical staff. More than Rs 15 crore have been spent to build this super speciality wing, which has been constructed with the view to encourage research activities in the hospital. The hospital has also introduced a set of special rooms including AC and suites, providing highest level of medical care, mainly targeting the middle class.
Medical profession is basically a social service concerned with health of people. Unlike in Western countries, our people are plagued by poverty. Despite this our doctors have kept the standard of medical ethics, bringing great name and fame to the profession respected by people of all times to come. I offer the following advice to our people. Whenever you are sick, take time to learn about your illness. Because health is most precious. Education is important, especially for the treatment of illness. Prevention is better than cure is an ancient saying that is constantly neglected these days. Any organization without a leader and a guide will be difficult to run.
K.S. Hegde Medical Academy has grown in leaps and bounds in the last few years thanks to its initiatives and skilled management. World Health Organization observes World Health Day on every April 30th across the globe. A special program to mark this observance was held in Government Wenlock Hospital here on Wednesday 30th morning. We have a special report on this. The Dakshina Kannada District Administration observed World Health Day at District Government Wenlock Hospital in Mangalore on Wednesday, April 30th. A seminar on natural calamities and problems was held on the occasion. Santosh Sanjeev, Program Officer of UEVRP District Calamity Management Unit, was the resource person.
In Jammu and Kashmir, we had extremes of cold climatic conditions. In other parts of the country, we had extremes of heat conditions. We lost some around 200 people. Well, for us in India, 200 people might be a very small statistics as such. But at the global level, a disaster is something, if you have 10 deaths, it is termed a disaster. So 200 is too much. Then with smog, with pollution and all that, you've got chances of asthma increasing. It is estimated by World Health Organization that there will be an almost 20% increase in asthma related cases in the next 10 years. If basically this climate change is not addressed. Then the other part of it with regard to climate changes, you've got rising temperatures leads to melting of glaciers. You all, if you are following up on the news and all that, you must be aware that some ice sheets in Antarctica, Arctic Ocean are all melting. So which leads to increase in sea levels.
District Health Officer Dr. H. Jagannath and Dr. Prabhudev, Head of District Wenlock Hospital, were also present on the occasion. With this, we have come to the end of today's news section. We shall now take a short commercial break. When we come back, we have St. Aloysius College Girls Hostel inmates performing during Konkani Nirantari, so stay tuned.
Apurva for Aptland.
Inland builders have been a pioneer in the creation of ultra-modern residential and commercial development in Mangalore and Bangalore. With ongoing projects in Mangalore like Inland Ornate, Inland Avenue, Inland Eminence, Inland Evoke, Premium Luxury Apartments, Kankanadi, Mangalore, and in Bangalore, Inland Everglades, Inland Ilanza. Shortly, Inland Builders are launching Mangalore's first international standard apartment complex at Mary Hill Airport Road, Mangalore, known as Inland Windsors. A modern grand structure of 23 floors, 230 super luxury apartments with facilities like garbage chute, multi-purpose hall with shuttle and squash court, supermarket, jogging track, table tennis, gym, swimming pool, TV room, etc. Bookings open. Inland Builders, Mangalore, phone 2496 110.